Another batch for you.
Maybe this job isn't for me.
Hey, don't forget your hard hat.
Yeah, my name is Tony Escobedo. My nickname is Tito. That's usually what I go with, is Tito. I've been here for about roughly 17 years now. I'm a crew leader with Ramsey County Public Works. Typical day, well, that's the thing I like about this. It varies from job to job. So being a crew leader, I might be doing ditching, as you can see, or I might be doing some asphalt work. We do some culverts, we do guardrail. It's a variety. By having a job outside like this one, I don't know if I could be confined to an office space. I think this gives me a little variety, gives me a little elements of change. You know, I definitely like being outside, so that's definitely key. But we had this job where we were doing a driveway. So we ripped out, as we're doing here, we ripped out a pipe in a driveway and we replaced it. Asphalt, had to make sure it was all leveled and everything. But it just made me feel good knowing that the homeowner came out and was so happy with it, because I live in Ramsey County as well. I look at it as, if I were to live here, would I be happy with this end product? And that's what it was. The guy came out, driveway looked amazing. Everybody did a fantastic job, stayed safe. And that's kind of what drives me here, is to make sure that the public is happy, you know?
Yeah.
Let the bass grow.
So my name is Corey Richter. I'm the General Supervisor of Highway Maintenance with Ramsey County. I've been with Ramsey County for about a year and a half now. Ramsey County, we pride ourselves on the diversity of our workforce, especially in public works. We work really hard to have representation of our community, so residents can see people that they can identify with out there working on the road and being part of solving the problems that we have out there. We like the community to also be involved and actually be employed with us, because there's a big sense of pride when you can be part of the team that is fixing the road, fixing the pothole, plowing the snow, making sure that the school buses get to school, making sure the ambulance can get out, even just the simple stuff of making sure people can get to work. There's a lot of career growth for employees in public works and transportation. What you see is we'll have folks that'll come in at the entry level. They'll have no experience. They will be fresh out of high school, maybe even have only had a couple college classes. Within public works itself, though, folks have lateral movement where they can explore other careers as being construction inspectors, right-of-way permit inspectors. They can look at drafting and design. There are many different directions they can take it. So career growth doesn't have to always be in one area. You can actually move across into different divisions, into different areas. When it comes to being successful in a career in public works, transportation, a lot of it is about being passionate about the work that you do and letting that show, and not being ashamed of that.